Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. Recently, I went on a winter trip and I needed the right boots to keep my feet nice, warm, dry, and yet comfortable. And these were perfect. This is the Earled Black 2 boot. Take a look at how well it does. I was so excited to get to wear my new boots in the snow. They were so comfortable. They kept my feet nice and warm. My feet also stayed completely dry, so they are definitely waterproof. Something else that I love is that they're not just for the snow. You could wear these hiking due to the amazing tread, as you can see here. So whether you want to wear them in winter weather, to go hiking, or just around town, you can wear these and feel quite stylish, I might add. They're a very good looking boot. Something else that I appreciate about them is that you don't have to untie them to put them on. For me anyway, I just slipped them on, and while they slip on very easily, you didn't have to worry about them falling off or anything like that. I absolutely love these boots. They were so great in the winter weather. Something I did want to point out is that the fur here, it's not just at the top with like some boots. It actually goes all the way inside. They are absolutely amazing. You can see some of the detail here with the quilting. This is such a great boot. I definitely recommend it for any winter trips you might be taking, but that's just my point of view.